Ziggy, 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 zag. Ziggy, 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 zag, zag, zag. Giggles with Ziggy Zag.
Hi, Ziggy.
Hi, Zag.
You know, Ziggy, bonfire season is here. I can't wait.
But meanwhile, I've got a joke for you.
Tell me, tell me.
What will you get if Batman and Robin were run over by stampeding cattle?
I have no idea.
Flat man and ribbon. Get it, get it, get it?
I get it. That's funny. Let me tell you one. What happened after the cowboy drank 8 cokes?
He threw up?
No, silly. He burped 7 up.
My turn, my turn. The Martian asked if the astronaut was tan from the sun. Guess what the astronaut said?
I don't know.
He said, no, he was sand from the earth.
I get it. My turn. Why do squirrels spend so much time in the trees?
Because they're afraid.
No, because they want to keep away from the nuts on the ground. Get it, get it, get it?
That's a good one.
Bye, Ziggy. I'm gonna miss you. See you soon.
Bye, Zag, and the same to you.
That was a lot of fun.
It sure was.
ToffeeTV.com. For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.